Hey there, content creators. Welcome back to WebBuddy. Today, we are diving into the world of compact yet powerful cameras with the Canon Powershot V10. Packed with features like CMOS photo sensor technology, a DIGIC X processor, and an ultra-compact design, this little powerhouse is ready to take your content to new heights. Let's explore. Overview of key features. Let's kick things off with the heart of the Powershot V10, its CMOS sensor with DIGIC X processor. This camera delivers stunning image quality and clarity with approximately 13.1 megapixels during Full HD, 16:9 movie recording, and 15.2 megapixels for still photo shooting. One of the standout features of the Powershot V10 is its 19mm wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing more in your shot without having to stretch your arm. Whether you're vlogging, capturing landscapes, or filming in tight spaces, this lens has you covered. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Powershot V10 remains incredibly compact and lightweight at just 211 grams. It fits comfortably in your hand and slips easily into your pocket, making it the perfect companion for on-the-go content creation. Enhanced content creation. But wait, there's more. The Powershot V10 comes equipped with a built-in stand and microphone, allowing you to elevate your content creation game even further. Whether you are shooting vlogs, tutorials, or live streams, this camera ensures professional quality audio and stability. And let's not forget about image stabilization. With this feature, you can say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to smooth, steady videos. Combined with the smooth skin tones feature, which enhances your complexion in videos, you'll always look your best on camera. Practical demonstration. Now, let's put the Powershot V10 to the test. I'll demonstrate how easy it is to create professional quality 4K videos using this camera. From setting up the shot to adjusting settings, you'll see firsthand how intuitive and user-friendly this camera truly is. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Canon Powershot V10 is a game-changer for content creators looking to up their game. With its powerful features, compact design, and ease of use, this camera is the perfect tool for capturing stunning videos and photos wherever inspiration strikes. If you're ready to take your content to the next level, be sure to check out the Powershot V10. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel WebBuddy for more tips, tutorials, and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy creating. This is WebBuddy signing off. Until next time, keep creating.